Merry meet and welcome to the Witch's Cauldron. My name's Paula. Today's video is the next in my Wicca 301 where we focus on divination, and this is in Tarot and the Suit of Cups. Now, I will tell you that these are very broad, high-level meanings of each one of the cards. I have already done videos on the major arcana and the suit of wands. This is the next in the series. Just remember that there are a lot of different meanings for the cards pertaining to specific types of readings. Like if you're doing a love reading, it can have some additional different meanings. If you're doing a money, prosperity reading, it can have different meanings. So just keep that in mind. These are very high level keyword meanings to the cards. They are by no means all encompassing. And if you want a deeper dive on the cards, I do have a playlist on my channel called Tarot Tuesdays, where I talk about in depth a card at a time, and I'm still working on that one. We're only like a little over halfway through the major arcana, but we're going to keep going with it, so keep that in mind. So we're going to tackle the Suit of Cups today, and the Suit of Cups in general is affiliated with the element of water. So those are, emotions, it's love, it's relationships, things of that nature. It also can have a little bit to do with dreams and psychic abilities, things like that. Okay. So the Ace of Cups, as you've probably heard, aces are usually a call to action in the tarot deck. So this is raw water power. Okay. So in the upright position, it is about love, compassion, creativity, overwhelming emotion, and new love. In the reverse position, it is about blocked or repressed emotions, where you've, bit your tongue bloody without being able to express your emotions about someone or something. A Two of Cups. Now, many people think that the lovers in the major arcana are the really stable, found my soulmate kind of card. And that's not it. The lovers is a sex card. The long-term relationship card is the Two of Cups. This is that person who completes you as, another soul, okay? So in the upright position, the Two of Cups is about a unified love, a partnership. It's about attraction. It's about relationships. This is your love of your life card, okay? In the reverse position, it can mean a breakup, an imbalance in a relationship, an imbalance of power. It's also a lack of harmony within the relationship or within the household. All right. The Three of Cups. In the upright position, it's about celebration, friendship, creativity, a sense of community, and having trust in others. Okay. This is, letting your BFFs help you out. All right. In the reverse position, it's about an affair, a betrayal, three's a crowd, stifled creativity. So the Four of Cups in the upright position is about meditation, contemplation, apathy, reevaluation, and it can be a mild depression, not in the throes of bottomed out depression, but a more temporary type of depression. In the reverse position, the Four of Cups is about boredom, a missed opportunity, being aloof, being withdrawn. The Five of Cups in the upright position is loss. It's regret. It's disappointment. It's despair. It's bereavement. This is what I call the pity party card. And in the reverse position, it's about moving on, acceptance, and giving forgiveness. And like I say, often when this card comes up and it's in the upright position, I tell my querent, this is a pity party card. And I then give them the sage advice that my sister used to give me is, it's all right to sit on the pity pot for a little while, just don't let your rear end vacuum lock to it, okay? Sometimes this card is telling you, yo, wake up, quit, get off the pity pot, and do something about it. You're the one that's in control of this situation, okay? The Six of Cups is a nostalgia, a reunion. This is often, like a family reunion, people coming back together. It's remembering your childhood, memories, and a sense of innocence. In the reverse position, it means that you're completely stuck in the past, that you just don't even want to move on into your reality of now. It's also being unrealistic and being very naive about some situation, okay? The Seven of Cups. Oh, Lord, I call this the LARP card. And for those of you that don't know what LARP is, it's live action role playing. It's sort of like those folks in the Society for Creative Anachronisms and things like that. Sometimes they get so used to their, persona that it spills over into real life, okay? And you need a little reminder that you need to stay in the moment and focus on things. So it's about fantasy, wishful thinking, illusions, making choices, and it's reminding you to stay based in reality, not get lost in, like, I know that one of my family members was so into World of Warcraft that he was completely addicted to it. And this is be a card that I would associate with him, because he had no real life because he was so grounded in that other reality that wasn't real, okay? In the reverse position, it's about temptation, illusion, and someone taking some diversionary tactics. It could be you, or it could be somebody else that's trying to create a diversion to avert your attention to something that they don't want you to see, okay? The Eight of Cups in the upright is about escapism, disappointment, abandonment, withdrawal, and just being worn out. Things have been going on too long and you are just exhausted emotionally, physically, and spiritually, all right? In the reverse position, it's hopelessness, aimless drifting, it's walking away, and it's realizing that you need something more, particularly when it's talking about relationships, okay? The Nine of Cups. This is wishes fulfilled in the upright position. It's comfort, it's happiness, it's satisfaction, it's sensuality, and it's sexual satisfaction, okay? In the reverse position, it's about greed, materialism, and dissatisfaction with what's going on around you. The Ten of Cups is in the upright position is about harmony, marriage, happiness, alignment, could be purchasing a new home, and having a decreased level of stress, okay? In the reverse position, it's about a broken home, marriage, or relationship, or a misalignment of values. The Page of Cups. Remember, pages and knights are usually messengers, okay? They can also be, the page can be a younger person of this particular sign. Okay, the water signs are Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio, okay? So it can be a younger person of that zodiac sign, in other words, someone that's not an adult yet, where the Knight of Cups would be a contemporary, adult person of one of those signs. The Page of Cups in the upright position is a messenger. This is about creative beginnings, having synchronicity, and solidifying a relationship. In the reversed, it's emotional immaturity and a creative block. This comes up a lot for writers that are completely stuck in trying to write a novel or, a book that they're working on. The Knight of Cups in the upright position. This is romance. It's someone who is very, very charming. It's like a knight in shining armor. It's also about imagination and emotion. In a love reading, this is Mr. Right for somebody, okay? He is all that and a bag of chips, okay? In the reverse position, it's about being unrealistic. It's having jealousy, being very moody, someone who is a drama king, and I nicknamed this the pussy card. So the Queen of Cups is a female figure, usually in like a position of respect or authority. Even a contemporary of yours. Could also mean you. In the upright position, it's about emotional security, calm, being intuitive, and having compassion. In the reverse position, it's being emotionally insecure, and it's often indicative of someone who has a very unhealthy codependency within their relationship. The King of Cups. Again, this is a male water sign, upright position. It's emotional balance and control. It's having generosity. It's being very calm and the one to try and kind of make sense of the chaos. And it's also someone who's very diplomatic. In the reverse position, this is someone who is very emotionally manipulative. They're moody. They can be volatile and, have awful physical or verbal abuse and outbursts. And this is someone who does not like PDAs or public displays of affection. So again, those are some of the broader meanings of the suit of cups. Remember, it's water signs in the zodiac. And if you want some more in-depth meanings on the cards, I'll link the playlist to my Tarot Tuesdays playlist where the rest of the in-depth videos are, and you can look there for more meanings on the major arcana. So with that, my friends, be sure to subscribe before you leave if you enjoy this channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. There will be a link to a Google Doc in the description box that gives you high-level meanings for all the cards in the tarot, okay? So with that, my friends, as I always say, merry we did meet, merry we will part, until we merry meet again. Be well and walk in love and light, everybody. Bye.